Money is a tool that shapes our lives, but for many, managing it feels overwhelming. In this video, we're breaking down the basics of personal finance into simple, actionable steps that will help you take control of your finances today. Why is personal finance so important? It's simple. It's the foundation for achieving your goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Learning the basics helps you avoid debt traps, build wealth, and reduce financial stress. First up is budgeting. A budget is your financial roadmap. Start with the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% goes to wants like dining out or entertainment, and 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Remember, tracking your spending is key. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help simplify this process. Savings are the cornerstone of financial stability. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. After that, save for your goals, whether it's a vacation, a car, or a down payment on a home. Not all debt is bad, but managing it wisely is crucial. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards. Use strategies like the snowball method, paying off small debts first, or the avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debts first. Investing is how you grow your wealth over time. Start by learning about stocks, bonds, and index funds. You don't need to be an expert. Tools like robo-advisors and apps like Robinhood or Acorns make it easy to begin with small amounts. Insurance is your financial safety net. Health, life, and property insurance protect you from significant losses. It might seem like an extra expense, but it can save you from financial ruin in the long run. Here are some quick tips to build solid habits. Automate your savings and bill payments. Regularly review your budget. Set financial goals and track your progress. Educate yourself. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small, consistent steps, and over time you'll see big results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Frame by Frame, and share it with someone who needs to start their financial journey. See you in the next video.